Hi everybody, happy Monday, and this month's geography and history topic is all about Lewes. Before we start next week with learning about the history of Lewes, today we're going to have a look at the geography of Lewes and the district around Lewes, and we're going to make a map. Okay, so here you can see, if you just go to the computer and type in Lewes district, it will give you this particular map. Let's get rid of those. Okay, so you can see the area of Lewes district here. It used to be called the Rape of Lewes, and it's been like that ever since William the Conqueror, this area that you can see here. So what I've done is I've drawn that in a much simpler way here, and I've put inside Lewes in capital letters, the English Channel. I've put in Brighton district and Wealden district, which is the district that Eastbourne is in. Once I've done that, the next thing to add is these main roads here. So the one going north to south is the A26 that cuts through. And the bypass, the Brighton bypass that goes past the A27, cuts east to west. So I'm just going to draw those onto my map in the best way that I can. So the A27 comes from here at about Farmer. And cuts down to about that A27. It effectively cuts the county, so the district, in half. And then from there, coming down here, a road that we should all know because it's the road that comes from Lewes to Newhaven there is the A26. Now for a little bit, it joins the A27 before coming north and heading off towards Isfield. And there you go. So now really you've got the district split into 4 uneven quarters. So they're not quarters because they're not even space, but 4 separate zones there. Next, we're going to have a look at these grey areas on the map. Now, the grey areas here on the map show areas that are built up, urban conurbations. Now, you can see that you have Seaford, Newhaven, it goes into Peacehaven, and back down, and then you've got the edge of Saltdean, and over here you've got the sprawling mass of Brighton. Okay, so let's add those place names on. Seaford, Newhaven, Peacehaven, Saltdean, pardon me, I'll get a rubber on that in a minute, and over here this is Brighton. Okay, next with a blue pencil, follow the River Ouse as it goes up here along the A26 before getting to Lewes, and then after Lewes, let's see where the course goes from there. It goes up and round to Barkham along the A26 pretty much parallel to the A26. So if you can put that river on, that would be fantastic. Also, forming the boundary of the district to the east is a place that you should all know very well, and that is Cuckmere. So if you can also add the Cuckmere River in on blue there. So that's the 2 rivers to add there. Now, once you've done this and had a look, make sure that you've got all of the places that it lists. But once you've done that, you might want to try a different kind of map, just to have a look, see if there's anything else that you can put in. And the map that we're going to use are Bing maps. And the reason why that we're going to use Bing Maps is because it has Ordnance Survey maps on. I'll show you exactly what I mean now. Here we go. So I'm going to go over here and change it from Road View to Ordnance Survey. And then from Ordnance Survey, I'm going to type in Lewes. And you'll notice that the map that comes up is very, very different to the maps that you've seen. Now, Ordnance Survey maps are the proper geography maps. They're the proper ones that you use for geographical inquiry. And you can see here the towns of Seaford to add on, and Newhaven, and Peacehaven, Saltdean, and over to Brighton here. But also you can see a lot better for when you draw the river, the course of the River Ouse. As it comes up from Newhaven, splits and to become the Glynde Reach there, and into Lewes there, and out from the top there. Okay, I can't wait to see you finish maps. Remember, you need the two rivers, you need the towns that it says on the site, and you need the roads as well. Anything else that you want to add, please feel free to. I can't wait to see your maps. Please take a photograph and send them in to us. We'd love to see them. Okay, have a great afternoon. See you soon.